guys, it's Queen Geal here. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. So as the title of today's video implies, we're going to be learning different lighting setup for YouTube, for Instagram, and anything you want to do. This is me just using my phone flash. I don't know how I look right now. I'm going to check it out later. But this is how it looks. But I'm going to add my halo lights behind me to see how it's going to look. This is how I look right now. I don't know if it looks really nice, but this is not a good lighting setup for tutorials or Instagram videos, because now everybody wants to get that crisp, clear content, according to Deborah Bombs. You don't want to get that very clear content, so you don't want to have this kind of lighting setup for any video that you think people need to see details. You get? So this is a kind of lighting setup. I know it feels odd because everywhere is dark, but believe me, this can be used for a type of video. I have a light behind me to give me this halo looking background. So when I put on the other lights, you can see it. I'm going to show you guys how it looks without the lights behind. So this is how it looks with the lights behind. Let me turn it off so that you guys will see the difference it makes. So can you guys notice the difference? One more thing, I have a DIY reflector panel behind to make the lights behind me more obvious than, it is. So let me show you guys how it is. So this is it. Without this reflector, you can see it's not so bright. When I put it back, there is a slight difference. So that's one hack you guys can try. So we're going to be trying getting lighting from one angle alone, and let's see how it's going to look like. So this is how I look. This gives a very nice, warm studio vibe, like a one-to-one conversation kind of thing. Like, it's not so bright in your face. And I'm going to turn on the light behind so you guys can see how it looks without the light behind me. This is the light from one angle. I think it looks fair, but if you want to film a video, like a tutorial video, like hair video, makeup, skincare, you're going to need good lighting, because we have to see properly what you're doing on your face or on your hair or whatever. So this is my go-to setup. Like, although I just learned this, because before I used to put my lights like close to my camera. I thought that if the lights were like at the same side with the camera, it's going to look better. But now my camera is like way over there, then my lights are closer to me. And when I say camera, I mean phone. For the next one, I want to show you guys how it's going to look if I was away from my light, if I was in front of my light. I've learned that it's also a kind of lighting setup. Light doesn't always have to be like on your face, in front of you, that kind of thing. You can be spontaneous, you can do different styles and make it look nice and come out well. So let's try it now. So as a little bonus, I am going to be talking about background. I had the white background before and it popped more compared to this pink one. Although it looks nice, I like the way it looks. I think I prefer the pink, but for white light and then the white background, it has this effect to it that makes it look really, really good. So I'm going to be showing you guys how it will look if I was in front of my camera behind my light with this pink background. So if you have come this far and you have not subscribed to my channel, why have you not subscribed to my channel? Just click that one button. Thank you very much. So I hope we all learned a thing or two, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.